Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your airplane mode is not working on the system, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the airplane mode is actually turned on for it to work. So we'll click on this panel here on the lower right hand corner, and we'll make sure to click this one so that it's illuminated and airplane mode should turn on. If you can't see the airplane mode here, then just click on edit settings and then click on add, and you can click on the airplane mode. It's not here visible here because it's already added in my panel, but if it's not, then you can just click on it and then click on done, and it should be visible here. If it's not working there, then you can also right click on start, go to settings, go to network and internet, and you should switch on airplane mode here. Now if that too doesn't work, then what we need to do is run the network troubleshooter. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will go to system, look below for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we will run the network and internet troubleshooter. It should find any problems and then fix them. Even after that, if the airplane mode is not working, then what we need to do is we need to run an SFC scan. And this is very rare because after these solutions, the airplane mode should start working. But if it doesn't, then the SFC scan will most probably fix it. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and allow the scan to run. Now while it is running, we will wait for it to finish, but we'll also go to services and we will restart the radio management service. Here the radio management service, right click on it and click on restart, and this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.